A very healthy good morning to you all, my dear. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home, obeying your parents, and doing the given work. Because right now your examination is going on, and hope you all will revise your chapters very nicely. Read, my dear, read line by line. And this is your moral science class, and I am going to start the new chapter. And your new chapter is lesson 2. And heading is love. Now, what is love? Here is love is a special feeling that comes from the heart. It is caring for someone, treating them with kindness and respect, and accepting them as they are. Okay? It is a special feeling which you feel about your friend, about your brothers and sisters, about your parents, about your teachers. When your teacher is not coming to take the class, when your class is merged, you don't feel nice. Why? Because love has cultivated. We are in the bonding. We love each other. If you are not coming to the class, your teacher is worried about you. Why? Because he loves you. If there is any demerit also, teachers points out that please you remove this. So this is the bonding of love and affection. If your teacher is complaining to your parents, you don't feel nice. If your parents is complaining, or if your brother and sister is fighting somewhere else, or they are getting scolded, you feel very bad. Why? Because we love each other. This is the bonding of love. That they get hurt and we get pain. How our children get hurt and we parents get pain. This is the bonding of love. When we are in love, we don't expect anyone to change themselves. We accept them as they are. Now see, this is the story of cat and rat. Once enemies, now friends. Once upon a time there lived a cat and a mouse. The cat always troubled the mouse. She ate his food, frightened him, and ran after him. The mouse was afraid of the cat. As you know, cat eats up the mouse. For eating only, cat used to chase him, frighten him, trouble him, and mouse was always afraid of the cat. One day the cat got wet in the rain and fell sick. She started sneezing, achoo achoo. She was also running a high fever. She could get out of the bed. The mouse heard the cat sneezing. He looked out of his hole and found the cat lying sick in her bed. She was shivering with cold and fever. What happened? The cat was sick and she was shivering with cold and fever. Now see how the mouse will enjoy. The mouse became very happy. Hooray! The enemy is sick. The cat is going to die. He started singing and dancing. The cat's fever had made her all red. The mouse, what happens when we are sick? We don't feel nice. We are not comfortable. By our expression, by our face also, people can identify that we are sick. Isn't it? Mostly your parents will, if you are not feeling well, by watching the face only, parents ask what is happening with you. The mouse knew that the cat would soon die, but instead of feeling sad, he sang and danced. But why it happened so, my dear? Instead of feeling sad, mouse was dancing and singing. Why? Because the cat was always troubling, chasing, frightening her. That's why when cat fell sick, mouse was singing and dancing. After some time, the mouse decided to eat his lunch. But he did not feel hungry. He remembered the cat's sickly face and felt sorry for her. This is the love, my dear. Cat was singing and dancing. But when he went to eat, he remembered the cat's sickly face and felt sorry. This is called love. When others are in pain, we feel hurt. The cat is not so bad after all, he thought. He runs after me, but that keeps me active. She frightens me, but that made me regular in praying to God for help. Without her, my life would be so boring. Sometimes you think that if there should be no homework, no school, what will happen? How enjoying the day will be. But my dear, it won't be enjoying. Like if you all are not coming to school, we teachers are going to school, we are not enjoying. We enjoy together. Together only we get anything. Together we want to play, together we want to live, together we want to study, together we want to dance. We need a partner to dance, we need a partner to enjoy. So everything, to do everything we need a partner. We can't live alone because we love each other. For a long time it pains us, and right now it is the right time to express these feelings. It is very painful time. Without students, school is very boring, my dear. You think that teachers are scolding me, teachers are compelling me to come on time, do the work, they are erasing whatever we are writing dirty. But the intention of teacher is not to hurt you, only to make improvement in you. And teachers are not feeling well because they love you, my dear. This happens only from the cat and mouse. They are enemy of one another. But see. So he decided to help the cat. First he cooked some food for her. Then he went and got some medicines for her. In this way, he looked after her for many days. Finally, the cat was back on her feet and healthy again. After she became all right, they remained good friends. Now what is happening? The mouse decided to help the cat. Cooked food. In real life it can't happen, my dear, because as the rat will go in front of the mouse will eat it up. But in this story it happened so. Okay? He decided to help, he cooked food, then he went and got some medicines for her. In this way he looked after the cat for many days. And finally, the cat was back on her feet and healthy again. After she became all right. And then they remained good friends. In real life, it can't happen, cat and rat, good friends. But my dear, this story is only to explain the feeling of love. And this happens, you don't obey your mother. You think that your mother is telling you to study always, telling you to clean your place, or this type of things. That says only charging you. But if your mother is not there, or if your mother is sick, then you understand, you only not, whole parents understand the importance of that person. If you are sick also, if you are not speaking at home, not cheering up, parents also feel too much worry. Why? Because they love you and they want you to cheer up. It is a close relationship. My dear, love is not which is shown in the movie or TV serial. Love is a strong feeling which we have with our pets also, with our friends also, with our parents also, with our children also. Love is a very strong feeling, And when they get hurt, we get hurt. If they are in pain, we feel it. This is called love. And I love you, dear, so much. As time went by there, love for each other increased. They were always looking for ways to help each other. They lived for many years together. They would often say, it is better to be friends than enemies. If you are fighting with your friends, some of your friends, sometimes we have a fight also, then what happens? We are not talking. We are thinking bad about each other. But my dear, there should be that, means we are thinking about something, our thought should be different, our opinion should be different, but we take care of each other. We don't feel nice without each other, because together only we can enjoy. So it is always better to be friends than enemies. If you fight with your friends also, you should be the first one to go and do the friendship. This is the moral of the story, that we should be friends with each other, not enemies. And now, my dear, you are having some hard words to write in this chapter. So this is the first new chapter. So you will start first. What you will do? You will write chapter 2. Then you will write love. Then you will write hard words. Here you will write HW and date. And then you will draw a line in between the page, and both the sides you will write the hard words. Okay? Thank you, my dear. Thank you for